Hello everyone. I got requests from people regarding uploading videos on few topics. So I choose cryptography out of it. Thanks for all the appreciation and responses. So let's start with our video. So today I'm going to explain about cryptography. So what is cryptography? It is also called as cryptology. It is a way of converting readable text into unreadable text and vice versa. It is done for secure communication. The input text will be in the plain text format. It will be converted into the output text called as cipher text. Under this, that is, this cryptography uses the thing called as encryption. So there are many encryption algorithms available in the market which will be used according to the need. So what exactly encryption is doing? This process is of conversion. Okay, so conversion is nothing but, just now I said no few minutes back, a conversion of input plain text into a chipper text. So that is nothing but who is doing this conversion. So that term is called as encryption. Now when the data reaches to the end person, it has to be in the readable format, right? So what I said was, the readable format will be changed into unreadable format during transformation, right? Now when it reaches to the end side, it has to be reconverted into the initial data. So that is nothing but, to convert back to the original data will be called as decryption. So we learned two terms. One is encryption and the second one is decryption. So you may ask me when to use it or why to use it. Now, in order to understand the concept of cryptography, let's take a example. So if you look it to the screen, we are having two people. One is Santa and Honey Pie. So if you will notice, there is hacker in between. So what this scenario is about, let us try to understand. Okay, imagine that two people, Santa and Honey Pie, are chatting with each other and decided to share a personal details with each other. Now, there is a hacker who is reading all the data during transmission of data from one end to another end. You must notice that these two people are not aware that there is a hacker in between who is reading the data. Fine. So, as the data is not encrypted, now imagine we are not using cryptography, we have not applied encryption. So as the data will be, now the data will be in readable format, right? So as the data is not encrypted, it becomes readable to the hacker, which can lead to a great loss to both Santa and Honey Pie. Why? Because they are going to share personal data, that is regarding their bank. So if it is going to a person who is the person may use it illegally, right? Illegally use, or some may lose it to the people who is belonging to it. So just now imagine that this one is, these people are using encryption. So that is nothing but cryptography. So if the data was encrypted, then during the transmission, even if the hacker gets the data, it will be in unreadable format. So hence cryptography plays very important role when it comes to security. So from this we come to know that if we are applying encryption, the data becomes unreadable. Even if the data goes to some person, third person's hand, they will not be able to read it. Now you may ask me how to apply it. See, there are many ways to use this. There are many technologies available. There are pre-built softwares available which will help you to encrypt the data. Now this encryption differs from you person to person, because the strength of the encryption depends, because even the hacker can decrypt it. There are tools which hackers can use to decrypt the data too. So it depends on how strong your encryption is. Even the blockchain cryptography is there, which is the famous one, where the Bitcoin comes into the picture. So Bitcoin is using blockchain cryptography technique. So if you are more interested, you can go through those concepts. For the time being, I just wanted to introduce this cryptography. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe my channel.